What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in another video, and today we're looking at the Zhiyun Crane M3s. Brand new gimbal from Zhiyun. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link, so it does help the channel a lot. So go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that like button as well, and let's get on with the video. Basically, we're going to show you this with our new camera right here, and it's really good. It has a few things that it comes with when you do buy one. So let's go ahead and look at the features. Here we go. So this is the backpack, that kind of bag that comes with the Crane M3s. It has this little compartment up here, goes in pretty deep, little handle up here, a little pouch area here where you can put all your items. Inside as well, you can open like so. It has the side for water bottles on both of them. On the back, as you can see, you can customize the strap to whatever you want. You can have it just a shoulder bag, or if you can use it as a backpack as well. Inside here has this pocket that you can put a phone mount like so, and wires in there, just like that. It also comes with a stand, which kind of fits in there. And then you got your Crane M3s right here, which attaches like so. It also has Velcro to keep it intact. So we have our camera right here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount it with our Crane M3s. So the Crane M3s is pretty small. As you can see here, has this stand like this, and it also locks the gimbal right here. It has this little lever, toggle switches, so that you can unlock them, as you can see there. And then that way you'll be able to balance your camera. So the first thing you want to do is to install the mount that came in the box right there. Okay. Once you have that, make sure that this is loose. Be able to mount this like so on the back. There's also an unlock toggle back here. And then now we're just gonna balance the gimbal. To tighten the sliding, is in the bottom right there. You can adjust this top part by using that lever right there. It'll be adjusted front and back as so. Unlock this part right here so that you can adjust this back and forth, is for that lever right there, so that you can balance it like so. It's pretty easy to balance actually. Now this is our first time setting up this camera with this gimbal, that's why it takes a while. But once you've balanced it well, all you gotta do is take it off from here and put this in the bag without changing the settings, and you're good to go for the next shoot. And then of course you can use this lever as well down here to adjust it frontwards and backwards right there. Now that's useful if you're doing like a portrait shot, so that it'll be balanced right in the middle. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna power up our gimbal. There it is. So this is the menu inside. It says English. Just gonna click that. It is touchscreen, as you can see there. Now there are different modes. As you can see there, there's pan, follow, lock, follow, POV, go, and vortex, portrait as well. Balance, here you can change it to whatever you want. Info as well, where you see the device info, language, and also you want to restore it to default settings. And then there's auto calibration, which I recommend. Let's do that right now. Start calibrating. Some parameter settings here as well, like motor torque, smoothness, follow speed, joystick speed, reverse, dead band. You can reset it as well if you messed it up. Control wheel settings there. Again, there's x-axis, z-axis control, aperture and shutter, ISO, You can customize it to whatever you want there. Fine tuning, you can fine tune your roll and tilt. And then advanced features here for panorama, time lapse, motion lapse, and V mode. Some of the features is this joystick, which pretty much moves the gimbal. You point it to whatever you want. There's the M button right here, power button on the other side, USB-C slot right there. There's also the USB-C slot there for the camera if it's not connecting via Bluetooth. On the other side, it comes with an extra 1/4 inch slot if you want a handle, if you want to put a monitor there. Same at the front here, it comes with this wheel as well. Again, customizable, and this button right here. So as you can see, you can connect this via Bluetooth as well. Zhiyun M3s B8AF. Very nice. Now, as you can see, there's a dial here as well for turning on or off the light, and you can adjust the brightness as well. Same with the color of the light. So what's happening, everyone? This is the test for the Zhiyun M3s. Basically just holding it with one hand. Hopefully you guys can see it there. Pretty cool, right? Let's go around now. Show you guys how well it does while I'm walking. Me too. Come here, Ellie, come. So you can change it to the other side like so. And kind of shoot around. Just walking normally here, as you can see. Hi, Ellie. Come, follow me. Hey. Cool. So as you can see, it's not bad. Now let's go up the stairs and see how well it does going up the stairs. There we go. Come, Ellie. Come, follow me. So let me know what you think down below, how the follow goes. Even going up the stairs. Right now I'm on a pan follow, and I'm really liking it a lot. It's really easy to use. It's still heavier than normal sticks, but this is pretty usable for sure. It does help a lot that there's a longer handle. If you're using more of a two-hand style, you can add this part right here. And the end, the stand, kind of acts like a longer stick, which is really good. There you go. Let's go downstairs, Eddie.
Yeah.
Downstairs, okay. Let's go. Okay, let's go. So again, following along. I'm walking backwards right now. Let's see. She can follow me down the stairs.
Upstairs.
Yep. Slowly, I'm just walking backwards on the stairs. Here.
Cheers.
Very nice.
Nice.
Good job, Ellie.
Wait.
Now with the gimbal, 3-axis gimbal in your camera, you can kind of do like a very cinematic style shots, which is really nice to have, as you can see here. You can even Grab her this way. Again, cinematic shots, you could see. Very nice, very stable. And there we go.
Woo!
So with our camera here, it is compatible by recording just in the button right there. So I really like that. You don't have to you don't have to fiddle around with your camera at all. You can control everything right from the buttons here. Very nice. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new gimbal. I definitely recommend this for people who love to shoot lightweight. This is like a direct competition with the RS3 Mini, and basically you'll be able to shoot with a lot more compatibility cameras with this, because it can actually carry more things, heavier cameras. So if you have a bigger lens on a light body camera like this, you'll be able to do that as well, and you'll be able to balance it without any problem whatsoever. So if you are looking for a new gimbal, go ahead and check that out. It'll be linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.